Okay, yeah. So first thing first, I would like to build a scalar. How to do it? Yeah. Just a moment. This is not good. Yeah. Build a scalar vector yeah, for example, I would like, if you see, the environment is still empty. Yeah, if you go to the tab, now I want to build a scalar, name A, with the value of, for example, 7. Yeah, if I highlight it, and if I highlight the code and press Control Enter, click Control Enter, you can see that the value of A with the value of 7 is being stored in the working memory. Yeah. Now I want to build. Is it okay? I can copy paste the code to you. Yeah, but it's too easy, I think. But I will still copy paste it anyway. Yeah, so you can copy paste the code and then copy paste this. But it's better if you type it on the. So I will build the second scalar, which is B. B, for example, equal 8. Yeah, once I type it, I highlight it, and I type it, Control Enter, or I can also Control Enter, or I can also click run. This. Once I run it, a new variable called B with the value of A is stored in the workspace. Yeah, I want to also build the third scalar, which is C. Let's see. I want to give an assignment of 5. Yeah, once I run it, Control Enter. Yeah, a new value. Yeah, a new scalar with a value of 5 is being entered. Yeah. So the arrow means an assignment. Yeah, so I assign variable C with the value of 5. Oh, if you don't, if, for example, if so you can use this, you can grid or list. So if grid like this, if list like this. Okay. Yeah. So for example, if I call a scalar or a variable D directly, D, I control enter. Then uh, D is not stored, not stored yet in the memory. So usually it will be error. That's why you have to store a value before you can use it. You have to define a value first before you can use it. Okay. So now Yeah, I want to build a vector. Yeah, so now I have a single scalar. Yeah, ABC. Yeah, if you remember this. So I have a scalar of A, I have a scalar of B, I have a scalar of C. I want to build a vector A, B, C. Yeah, so I can do that. Yeah, let's see that I will make a scalar of X. Yeah, I have to see because I don't remember the apa the ini. Yeah, so X, for example, let me try first because yeah, so X, yeah, X, yeah, I combine I combine scalar A, B, and C. Yeah, so I make a new vector, yeah, with a value of 7, 8, and 5, in which A is 7, B is 2. C combine. That's why I will copy paste the code to the also. Yeah, simple. Color vector. Yeah, I will copy paste the code. Yeah. I will build also another vector with the value of, yeah, I will not build it one by one. So I will build, yeah, y value from 5 until 7, 5, 6, 7, for example. Yeah, so if I run this, sorry, a new, yeah, a new vector, yeah, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I can also call it if you like y. If I run it now, if I run y, yeah, the console 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I will build also another vector. Oh, nggak usah lah itu aja. Z, for example, Z from maybe 8, 9, 10, yeah, 8 until. Actually, I can also build. I can do this way, yeah, but I can also do this way. Yeah, but for example, let's try. Yeah, I forgot. Maybe let's see, 5, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, so you can, yeah, if you want to build a vector, just see and then the content of the vector. Yeah. Yes. Now I want to build a matrix. If you see here, yeah. So scalar combined by scalar becomes vector. Yeah, that's vector combined by vector combined vector become a matrix. So now, yeah, vector. I want to build a matrix. Matrix. Yeah, you can see also in your screen, yeah, in your Zoom, yeah, if it's too small. So for example, XYZ, maybe apa ya, matrix ABC, CZ. PQR ya, maybe matrix P, ya. I bind it, ya. C bind, ya. Bind is like ada tali rafia itu kamu ikat ya. C bind, for example, matrix X dengan Y, ya. For example, C bind X, Y, ya. And if I run it again, P, ya. Nah, you can see gitu ya. So I will rerun the code. Ya. Run. Nah, ya. Note that before X, we define X as 7, 8, and 5. Yeah, that is X. And then we have also Y, which is 5, 6, 7. Now I want to combine, yeah, but column bind, yeah, X and Y. Yeah, this is the resulting matrix. Yeah. But I can also do, for example, R bind. Yeah, C bind means that the factor is treated as column. R bind is the as row bind. Yeah, that's it. P, Q, for example, Q, I would do it R bind. Yeah, between maybe Y and Z, or maybe X and Y. So you can see the difference. Yeah. So I will redo it again. Yeah. So the difference is, gluing or binding, yeah, in terms of column or binding in terms of. Very easy, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now, yeah. So if you like, you can also have, yeah, a mini trick. Scalar, vector, matrix, maybe now data frame. Yeah. Let's celery. Yeah, let's do this. So I will copy paste again. Vector. It's up to you. Now I want to build a data frame. Data frame. For example, I want to build a apa ya? A name, for example, ya. A vector with name. For example, I want to build a vector with names. For example, in front of me is Bu Novi. And then adik namanya siapa? Adik Rani. Rani 2 mana? Nggak ada tadi. Oh, adik. Ya. Rani. Saudara Rani siapa? Adik siapa? Cindy. 3 aja dulu. Rani and Cindy. Ya. You put ini ya. Apa? A quote ya. It's defining the apa? It's if you want to define an alphabetical ini, then you use quote. Cindy. Mudah-mudahan benar. Kalau enggak, ya tinggal minta maaf. Kan? Gampang hidup. Mohon maaf saya nggak bisa gitu aja udah beres. Tapi nggak boleh so tahu. Ini yang nyebelin itu dia nggak tahu, tapi dia so tahu. Udahlah suka-suka aja. Ya. Nah, name. Ya, so for example, name I built ya. Hopefully it works. If not, unexpected symbol. Why? Oh iya benar. Raninya belum ditutup. Ah, yeah. So if I build a new vector with the name, name immediately, here, right? Novi, Rani, and so on. Novi and Rani and Cindy, yeah, you can see. And let's see, for example, apa? Let's say attendance. Attendance. Yeah, for example, C. Yeah, and then for example, let me see. Yeah, maybe 90% or 90 aja lah, 90 95 93. Yeah, attendance. Yeah, so I built a vector called attendance, click. Yeah, and then grade. Yeah, grade. Yeah, for example, sorry, ditaruh di ini ya. Please place it in the source ya, not the console, because yeah, if you type it here, you can save the code. Attendance and then grade, for example, C apa A, ya, for example, siapa yang mau AB nggak ada, lah ya, and karena dia bilang kata-kata adalah doa gitu. Jadi kalau dikasih jelek jangan, ya, grade. Nah, ya, once it's ini, we have also a factor of this, and now we want to build a data frame. So I will copy paste. Yeah, so hopefully it works, because to be honest, I don't remember the code by heart, yeah. But I know the principle, and sometimes I forgot. That's life. If I forgot, I will ask my student. Yeah, as easy as that. For example, name, attendance, grade. For example, grade recap. Yeah, I will make a data dot frame. Yeah, with just a moment, nyontek dulu. Nah, with ini name, name, attendance. Usually, if you define, and yeah, it will appear automatically here. Usually, attendance and then grade. Yeah, so I will hopefully it works. Grade recap, pump, grade recap. Yeah, you can see it. Once I define data frame, it will appear. So it's nice. Grade recap. So I will copy paste my code to the Zoom. Very easy, ya? Easy peasy. I will go, nanti balik lagi. I will 5 minutes.
Yang susah tugasnya ya kan? Iya kan, benar kan?
Kenapa, Bu Tobi?
No.
What's the problem?
This morning I tried this thing, but then there's a chat secure R. I
Oh.
put it in quarantine, and then after that my R cannot be.
Oh. Ya, ya, ya. Ada ini ya, ada rekaman. Tapi yang di sini bisa toh?
Yeah,
Ya, ya.
it's working.
Okay. Ya. Easy, everybody can do it, ya. So now I want to have, so this logic is really ya, skalar, skalar digabung skalar jadi vektor, vektor digabung vektor ya, sorry, I forget ini. Skalar ya, if you combine vector, if you combine skalar become vector combine become ini. Ya, okay. So that is how you build a data frame manually. Yeah. So, but yeah, nobody want to build a manual data. Usually we import it from a file. Yeah. So, I will do this. Yeah. In the, yeah, I like to keep my code well arranged. That's why usually after the hashtag at the very end, I put minus sign at least 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then I can fold my code, so I can hide. Okay. So it becomes tidy. So I will put it there and there. Fold, so I can, I can fold it. Yeah. And you can also, if you want to see a section, you can, yeah, there is like a daftar isi here. Click, I want to go to this section. Yeah, if you build the minus quota. Okay. So now I want to import data. Yeah, I give a hashtag and then import, yeah, Excel file. And then minus. Why? Because I want to fold the previous code, so it's become tidy. Pop. Yeah. Now, yeah, how to do it? Actually, we can do it, yeah, manually, or we can also code them. Yeah. If you want to code, yeah, let's do the file user interface. First, what you do is, yeah, you go to the import dataset, yeah, here, yeah, at the environment panel, you click it, and then, yeah, it depends on the type of the file that you would like to import. In our case, it's Excel. Yeah, you click Excel, and then you locate the file that you will import. Yeah, for example, the Superstore. Browse, and then you locate here. Yeah. So locate the Superstore data, and then you press open. Yeah. Okay. Once it's being browsed, it's automatically retrieving the data. But actually, yeah, we can change the yeah. We can, in importing, we can choose to include all of the columns or excluding. Yeah, if you want to include, yeah, you press include. But if you want to apa, to not to exclude, you press skip for a specific column. Yeah, and also here you have a type of data, character, numeric, and date. Yeah, so you can correct the data type. Yeah, here character double. This is should be date. Yeah, or the date, ship date. Yeah, but I will not do that. I will just leave it as it is. Yeah, for now. But yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, you can include or exclude specific column, and then you can include and okay, and then after that, at the this is actually the code ini ya, the code ini that is generated if you do this. Yeah, at the right bottom corner, I would like to give my data set. The name of the data frame will be apa? Superstore. Superstore. Yeah. And then yeah, with S, capital S, Superstore. And then I import them. Import. Once I import them, yeah, I will have a Superstore data set. Yeah, it means that the data Superstore from Excel is already imported in my working memory. Yeah, so where is the code did actually? Yeah, actually when we do the user interface click, yeah, so much say, yeah, they are generating a code. Yeah, if you would like to have this in there, yeah, you just highlight the executed code, the history, and then you to the console. Yeah, you copy it to the console. To source, sorry. Yeah, is anyone having problem with this? Ya, siapa yang nggak bisa? Standard is good with you? Ya. Yeah. So here we are. Very easy ya. This is super. Yeah. Yeah, if you would like to click the data, see the data, you just double click it. Click. Or you just also, yeah, you can also run few superstores, and then when you run it, okay. Okay. What time is this? Okay, very good. Yeah. So yeah, to make a bit of ini to see an overview, you can, for example, you want to see the first 5 or 7 rows, yeah, of the data frame. You can type head, and then superstore. Yeah, head. Yeah, if you head means that you want to see the first 6 rows of the. If you want to see the tail, yeah, not the head, but the tail, yeah, you type tail. Superstore. Yeah, it means that you want to view the tail. Yes. So I will copy paste this. Yeah, so maybe not this. Misalnya previewing the data. Pap. Okay. Then for example, you want to see only the property, yeah, you can, yeah, there is, yeah, for example, summary, superstore. Yeah, if I run it, yeah, you can see for each row, the minimum value, the maximum value, the median, the mean, for quarter, for each of the row. Order date, minimum, maximum, so on. So that's for viewing the data. And also, for example, apa ya? Also, there is also another. This is just for previewing the data. Yeah. If you want to make it clean, you just click the upper right corner. Yeah, the bloom symbol, so it become clean. The bloom. Oh, look. For example, so it become, and then you can run it. STR, yeah. For example, what is, yeah, the description of this column? What type of data? And what are the example of it? Very easy. Yeah. So I will copy paste this. Alika, gimana Alika? Kenapa wajah kamu kayak ngelihat hantu? Ini lebih takut dari hantu ya? Mana gelap? Wajah yang ngajar juga tidak secakap Ming Ming Bo, bintang Korea ya kan? Membuat menakutkan pelajaran apa nih Dit? Ya kan? Kenapa gua masuk kelas lu ya kan? Mata kuliah wajib lagi ya bisa kabur ya kan? That's life. Ya kan? Apa-apa bisa Alika? Nah, bisa. Don't worry. Your name, yeah. So, okay. So now, as you can see, yeah, I have several column, yeah. Or yeah, I will rerun the view one, highlight it, and then click run. Yeah, or I can go control enter. Yeah, so if I run it, yeah. Oh, okay. I have order ID, order date, ship date, customer name, segment, and ticket. For example, I want to only access, yeah, the customer name value only. Yeah, so that is really easy. Yeah, you do it. Yeah, for example, super or maybe segment lah, yang easy ya. Superstore segment, superstore dollar, ya, and then mana dollar, and then segment. Nah, yeah. If you run it, yeah, I will clean the console first. If I run the code, so it will only access the value of segment ya. For example, apa nih? Consumer, corporate, consumer, corporate. Ya. So for example, other column, for example, superstore, dollar, ya, for example, customer name. Customer name this one. So if I run it, yeah, I only pick a specific column, yeah, which is the apa? Customer Claire, Claire Gute, Darin Van Hoof, Tan O'Donnell, ya. Iya betul. Ya. So if you want to access a specific column, name the data frame, dollar, and then the name of the Very easy. Ya. How if I would like to apa? So maybe I will make ini ya matrix apa? Data frame operation. Data frame apa? Slicing and dicing. Pap, 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 pap. You can slice and slice and dice the data. Yeah, for example, now I want to not only one column but several column. Yeah, for example, order ID, customer name, and then segment, for example. Yeah, so what I do, buka kepean dulu. Very easy. For example, I want to ini superstore. And then what will I do is just a moment. Add data frame summary. Oh yeah. Using this. Using square bracket and then comma. So the first one is the row. The first behind the comma is the row. After the comma is the column. So if it remains empty, it means that you will take all of the row. So I will take all the rows, but I will only select specific column. So what I will do is C and then under bracket, for example, let's see, order ID, and then for example, mana sih? Order ID, and then for example, customer name, and then customer name, let's say sales, quantity, and profit. Sales, quantity, and profit. Let's see whether it's right. Gimana, Dek? Betul. Pintar kamu. Iya benar. Saya orangnya nggak teliti, saya orang selebor. Customer, benar. So Rani is right So the capital, lowercase, uppercase have to be precise, otherwise it will be error. So you can see here I pick order ID, customer name, sales, quantity. Gampang ya? Easy peasy. Pak. Udah besok kamu jadi tesis ya? I learned it by my own. Nobody teach me. Autodidak. Nabrak tembok sana, nabrak tembok sini. Aduh, frustrating. Jadi Alika, your frustration is better than mine, Alika. Iya Pak, sambil dia garuk-garuk lihat bawah. Benar, bisa. So I will copy paste this. Sales, quantity, profit. I will make a new variable aja embed superstore, sales quantity, discount, profit. I will copy paste my code to you. Yeah. Discount. Yeah. I will make a new data frame called superstore modified. Ya. Tuh. Oke. You. Ya. I will copy paste my code to the Zoom. Ah. Okay. So I can slice any column I like, yeah. I can slice any column. Now, okay, you can take a breath first. It's important. Hello. I will give the slide, but I will not run the code one by one. Yeah, but it's okay. Slicing row. Yeah. Now, yeah. So I have a data frame of Superstore modified, but I will only, for example, I will only include, yeah, the rows where the sales or the profit that is above, let's say 200. Yeah. So how to do it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can do it with the command of, yeah, I will superstore modified. Let's see. I built a new variable more 200. Sangat tidak bagus ini. Apa ya? Penamaannya ya asal-asalan banget. Ya, what I can do is subset. Ya, and then superstore modified. I click. And then comma. Yeah, for example, profit greater than 200. Yeah. So this, yeah, if I run it, pop. Yeah. Is it right? Just a moment. View. Ya, saya juga deg-degan. Saya nggak tahu juga kode saya bakal running atau enggak. Itulah serunya ngajar kelas ini. Kalau PowerPoint kan, aman lah. Nah, kalau ini pusing kan. View. This is ya. If you see, this is Superstore modified. Yeah, with the profit 41 to 196 all are mixed, but Superstore modified more 200 is the one that only with the profit of more than 2. So you can slice and dice, yeah, any, for example, yeah, Rani has a transaction logs and would like to only focus on the high-end customers with salary more than, for example, 50 million rupees. So you can, yeah, you can tweak your data in any formula. Okay, I will copy paste my code to you for you. Control C. Ya. So let's do a challenge. Yeah, for example, I have this superstore modified more than 200, yeah. But I would like to see make a new column. Let's say profit per quantity. Yeah, profit per unit, profit per unit. Yeah, so let's do that. Yeah, superstore modified this one. Yeah, I will give you, yeah, equal or gak usah lah. I will do directly ya. Superstore of modified 20. I will give ini, for example ya, when I press dollar, ya, the existing columns will be displayed. If not, then it means that I will build a new ini, apa, profit per unit equals, ya, let's say profit per unit equal superstore modified $2,200 profit divided by superstore modified more $2,000 quantity. Yeah, and then I run it. If I run it, sorry, I run and I have to do this. We have a new column, yeah, profit per unit, which is profit divided by. Very easy, yeah. So I will copy paste the code for you. Mana nih? Where? What happened? Hey, kodenya hilang ya? Oh no, man. Hah? Hah? Oh ya. Oh man, disaster kalau hilang. Ya, saya terus terang saya nggak hafal kodenya apa nggak hafal. Coba deh. Logiknya gini. Kita lupa, aduh. Ah, ya, bisa ya? Alhamdulillah. Slicing, exclude. Okay. So I will fold this code. I will fold this code. I will fold. Now I want to Pak deskriptif statistik ya, easy Bu. descriptive statistics. Pap. I will put this pap. Yeah. So for average, it's very easy, yeah. Average, let's say, apa? Superstore aja lah ya. Average, apa? Average profit, mana sih? Average profit superstore, ya equals ya mean, ya, and then you call superstore, ya, and then dollar, ya, and then profit. Yeah, for example, if you want to see the mean, the median, yeah, this is the function. Ya, ya, and then for example, sum, for example, apa ya, sales ya, ini apa sih? Sales ya, sum of sales, superstore. Why? Eh, oh. Nah, ini ya, oke. Ya lagi ya? Oke. Sorry. Oh, saya colokinnya bukan ke power ini. Sorry. Sorry. Kalau enggak, ah, ah, eh, ah. Oh ya. Oke. Ya, sum of sales. Ya, you just put some superstore dollar, eh, dollar. Mana ini? Mana dia? Kok nggak keluar ya? Sales. Ah, ya, very easy ya. And then maybe, let's see. Let me see if I can do this here. Just moment. Let me see. I'm experimenting. Yeah. Store. Store. Dollar. Dollar. Sales. Store. Dollar. Let's see. Nah, lumayan lah ya. Saya masih rada ingat. So for example, this is a very simple plot. Yeah, I plot. Yeah, with the x-axis is sales, superstore. Yeah, sales and then superstore profit. Yeah, I will copy paste. Yeah, for example, yeah, x lab equal sales, sales y lab equal profit. Now you can see, yeah, at the bottom right corner you have the plot. So you can plot x comma y. Yeah, simple plot. Very easy. Yeah, for example, simple plot. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is scatter plot. Let's say histogram, yeah. For example, I want to, hey, I just fold this, pop. Yeah, I want to see I want to make a histogram of, yeah, let's see, yeah, to superstore, sales, sales, yeah, and then, yeah, xlab. Yeah, xlab means the title of the x-axis. Yeah, and then y lab means frequency. Frequency. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Just a moment. Mistake. Oh. Oh, it's not good. Yeah, the histogram is not ini ya. Just a moment. Let me see. Sales. Breaks. I will break it, yeah. I will break. Break. Yeah, breaks mean I divide it into several category. Let's say 20. Yeah, or apa several bin, yeah. Let's say. It's still, oh, it's still ugly, yeah. How do you see that? Let's see another data set, maybe superstore. It has long tail, yeah. That's why you have to do data cleaning. Maybe superstore apa? More, yeah. What is the name? Superstore. Ada modified teman. Superstore modified more 200. Nama apa nih? Nggak bagus sekali ngasih nama. Ya, harusnya yang bagus. Harusnya DF harus ya. Harusnya kalau DF titik, nah itu lebih elegan. Tapi saya lagi malas biarin aja. Rocker juga manusia. Oh, saya mesti jemput anak saya. It's nicer now, right? Udahlah. Itu aja ya, saya bosan nih. Pap. Okay? Very easy. So, how to save the code? Yeah, you just save it. If you want to save the code, you just press the save current document. And then, yeah, in the folder you use. For example, 00 my first R code. Save. Yeah. As soon as you save it, yeah, as soon as you save it, if you go to the files, here, tab, you can see my first code. My first code R. For example, you want to also save the memory, yeah. So you can also do that. Yeah. You just save it, the workspace, we call it. Save workspace. Yeah. Let's say 00 my first R workspace. Once it's saved, then you can sorry. Yeah, you can apa? Yeah, it is. Oh, Meditya, I would like to also save the plot. Oh, that's really important. Yeah. How to do that? Yeah. Plot, for example, this. Yeah, you can do export. And then save as image. Yeah, then you can resize it or else, yeah. For example, 000 my first R histogram. And then you save it, yeah, to the selected folder. Save. Yeah. Once it is saved in your folder, yeah, you have the file, and then you can copy paste it, and then you can build a Q0 Scopus Journal. Q1 nanggung, Q0 aja sekalian, ya. Very easy. Ya. The title is up to you, ya. 00 my first R scatter plot. Okay. And then save it. Okay. Everybody can do it, yeah? Okay, so I think that's it. I will record your attendance. Gimana? Lupa isi apa? Ya, sama saya di record.